Cesar, my man.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Cesar's. Follow the smoke.
So this is the famous spot where all the magic happens.
Yes, this is it. Come on inside.
So Cesar, you got names for all these grills. Are there any stories behind it?
Yeah, we got a side chick here. We got Miss Piggy over here. And we got the bullet over here. The bullet is shaped just like a bullet. The side chick, I was always on the grill all the time. This is my first grill or whatever. So it's like, I'm always out the house. I'm always gone. I'm always with this grill. So it's like a side chick, you know what I'm saying?
I see what you mean,
that's where the name came from.
Great, well, let's open this baby up and see what's inside.
All right. We got some ribs here that's been marinating for 3 days. All right, we got all the dry rub on it, seasoning on it, and we've been cooking it for a couple hours. We got about 2 more hours to go, low and slow. And I check them like every 30 to 45 minutes, see how it's cooking.
How long you cook them for?
If it's about 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah. You think that's the sweet spot between heat and time, yeah?
Yes, yes.
So what do you do when you check them?
Well, I check to see if they have that dark brown look that I'm looking for. And if they don't, I let them run a little bit longer and I flip them over, make sure both sides have the same consistency before I take them off.
Well, I think it's time to try them, right?
All right, yes, yes, yes. Let's get right to it. I have some ribs over here.
All right.
Just came off the grill, low and slow.
Look at that, with the signature sauce,
The
all right.
signature sauce.
So I just dig in, man?
Yeah,
Is this how we do it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me grab a piece here.
Go ahead.
All right, so tell me about the sauce. What is it, mustard based?
It's a mustard-based sauce with a little honey, a little cayenne, some more spices in there.
Secret spices you can't tell me, right?
Can't
All
tell
right.
you anymore.
All right, maybe off camera, we'll see. All right, let me try this.
Check it out.
Mmm, comes right off the bone.
Right off the bone.
Wow, those are really good.
Low and slow, don't know where to go. Caesar's.
And I love the sauce, man.
Follow the smoke.
Sweet at start and then a little spicy at the end, just like you said.
Yep.
Amazing.
Yep.
Man, these are some of the best ribs I've ever had, I'm gonna be honest.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, it's fair to say I sure did enjoy these ribs, and I'm going to keep on enjoying them.